Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite. You have to start by open SOUNDPEATS application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have, this one. Now, right here at the left bottom we have equalizer icon. You need to tap on it. And then you need to click at the preset. If you select maybe custom equalizer, you need to click at the preset. And we need to enter at this preset, so click again. And here it is, right here we have bass boost. So you just tap on it and we just select it. And if you go back, right here we have selected preset and this is bass boost. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!